Last week, you worked hard to make a draft of your personal narrative. Now we're going to revisit our writing and go through this checklist and answer each question. We're going to think about these questions and apply them to our writing and ask ourselves, did I include this in my writing? Is there something that I need to change or add? This is a good opportunity for us to look back on our writing and make any changes that we need to. So the first question says, does my narrative need more information? If yes, add words, phrases, or sentences to explain better. You can check off yes or no. If you answer yes, then make sure that you're making these changes. Does my narrative have information that does not support the central idea? If yes, delete words, phrases, or sentences that do not belong. Sometimes we look back at our writing and think, maybe I didn't need to include that as a part of my story. I went a little bit off topic there. So you can delete things in your writing as well. Are my ideas clear? If no, rearrange words, phrases, or sentences so your readers can understand what you are saying. Did I use the pronoun I? You are telling this story because this is something that happened to you. Did I capitalize it? If no, revise so that the narrative is being told by the pronoun I. Make sure that it's a capital I as well. Did I explain how one small action made the world better? If no, add details that are specific and relevant. That means that they make sense with your topic that you need to be discussing. That small action that made the world a better place. How did you impact others in your community or someone in your family? How did you make the world a better place? This is a chart that can be found in your digital writer's notebook on slide 26.